Hi everyone, today we're diving into how drones like the Elios 3 can revolutionize inspections in abandoned or unstable mine workings, helping teams map hazardous zones without ever putting a person at risk. Engineers at the mine in upstate New York were tasked with mapping an entire inactive section of a mine that hadn't been accessed in decades, some dating all the way back to the 1930s. Traditional inspection methods of old workings like physically entering the area or using CMS scanners were either too risky or couldn't provide a complete picture of the condition underground. Engineers needed a way to visualize and map these tunnels without putting anyone in harm's way. Using the Elios 3, the inspection team was able to fly through multiple old drifts and shafts without any human entry. In just 15 minutes of flight time, they gathered 3D LiDAR scans and visual data that revealed the extent and condition of the old workings. The drone's ability to geolocate itself within GPS-denied environments and build a live 3D map in real time meant that the drone could easily identify collapsed or blocked areas, something that would have taken otherwise weeks with traditional methods, if it was even possible. Some of the tunnels they flew through were just 1.2 meters in diameter, impossible to access with most other drones or technologies on the market. Thanks to its compact size, protective cage and cutting-edge navigation system, the Elios 3 was able to safely maneuver through tight, debris-filled spaces. The high-resolution imagery and point cloud data gave mine engineers actionable insights into where rehabilitation work was needed and which areas could be safely re-accessed. So if you're looking for a safer and more efficient way of accessing and mapping old workings, check the link in the description below and download our free datasheet on how drones are transforming the way mines approach old working inspections.